If you're looking for a simple dinner that doesn't skimp on flavor, then you must try my baked cod. It's made with only a few ingredients, and it comes out tender, flaky, and full of flavor. If you want dinner on the table in just a few minutes and you want perfectly baked cod, stick around and I'll show you how to make it. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making baked cod. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1 boneless, skinless cod fillet, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your salt, black pepper, and parsley flakes. Now add your garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have thoroughly dried your fish, then brush with your melted butter. Now generously season your cod with your seasoning mixture. Transfer your fish to a baking pan that has been lined with parchment paper, then transfer it to the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees. Allow your fish to cook for 20 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.